This is the checking video of Abdullah Kneader, latest model of 3.5 kg AE-390. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade, a metal blade, a measuring flask, and a company booklet. This is the original carton of this machine, which has a thermopore at the bottom, thermopore at the top, and then we pack it in this brown sheet and finally in bubble wrap. Then we paste the fragile stickers for safe delivery. The machine is okay from all the sides, there are no damages. We will show you from the bottom also. It is okay, and now we will start the machine. The machine has started. This model is also called high top model, and its sound level is lesser than the AE-900 model. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. रखने में दिखाओ कैसे लगा. This is the lid, and you have to put the lid with the matching latches so that it does fit. The steel bowl is also fitted, seeing this marker and the latch on the machine body. It can easily knead dough in 3 to 5 minutes. The mixing water is poured from on top of the lid. As you can see, the machine has automatically stopped, and now we will pack it for the last.